Pwede na natin i-maximize sa ating space today. And all our parents and guardian, please exit na lang po tayo ng ating event area para po ma-maximize sa mga kids natin ang ating event place. Okay, kids, stand up! Stand up! And all eyes here lang po. Oh, very good naman ang mga kids natin. Okay, kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. And when I say hello, you will say hi. Hi, kids! Hello, kids! Okay, very good. First of all, magpapakilala po muna kami. I'm Ate Angie, your friendly host for today, together with my partners, Ate Jen and Ate Tina. Say hi to Jen, kids. Hi! And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating lovely and bubbly 5-year-old kids hero, Lana Chan. Say hi to Lana Chan, kids. Very good. Alright, kids, who wants to dance? Raise your hands. Very good. Wait, may pinubulong si Lana Chan. Meron daw po siyang ituturo sa ating 2 basic steps. Ready na kayo, kids? Okay, first step, Lana Chan. Clap your hands down and jump, then roll your hands. Once again, clap, jump, and roll your hands. Second step, Lana Chan. Clap again, jump again, then turn around. Once again, kids, clap and jump, then turn around. The best, kids? Okay, very good. Music po. Let's go and dance, okay, kids? March! Let's go, march!